Hi guys, good afternoon naman na pala ngayon. So, ayun guys.
Give me a cookie.
Cookie? You want the cookie?
Yeah, because I'm so hungry.
Okay, I get it, papi. My God. Ayun guys, may baon kami. What do you like? The pecan? Look at it guys.
No, the little ugly cookie.
Oh, this one. This one?
Yeah, that ugly one.
Papi, you're driving. Look at that guys. Kain siya while nag-driving. Ayan guys, may tanong ako kay Papi guys. Ang tanong ko sa kanya is, ano yung masarap sa umaga? Papi, ano yung masarap sa umaga?
What's that? Yeah, masarap umaga.
Ano yung masarap sa umaga? Ito yung masarap guys. Check. Ano yung masarap? Hindi kasi nakakaintindi guys ng Tagalog, kaya Englishin natin. Ayan, try natin mag-English. Anong masarap sa umaga? Ayan, yung tanong ko sa kanya, ano yung masarap sa umaga? So, what is good in the morning? Morning.
Coffee!
You're right! I think that's the answer, the correct answer! So guys, yun po ang masarap sa umaga guys.
Coffee.
Coffee! I think he know the answer because he know already we like coffee in the morning. Oh, it's from about to go to the park.
I want to go. What park? What park there?
Yeah, I bet, yeah.
I want to go see 75 South here.
Ayan guys, kain tayo guys. Ano po to guys, cookies, gluten free siya. Ayan, tataba na kami. Nasira yung diet namin. Pero masarap yung coffee at saka ganito. So, yeah. Yan. Ano masarap sa umaga? So, it's coffee. What is good in the morning?
Coffee.
So, coffee. You know the answer because
That's the first word in the morning. She said, she don't say good morning. She said, coffee.
coffee.
And then after that, she said, good morning.
We never say good morning, Rochiel. Good morning, Papi. We say coffee.
She's there asleep. You open her eyes, and the first comes out of her mouth, coffee.
No, good morning, Papi. Coffee.
Oh my gosh.
That's the best in the morning. So yun guys. Ayan. Yun guys, papunta na pa kami sa Dayton. Dun yung masarap na coffee. Yung roasted, what's the name, Papi? Roasted tasty coffee.
Oh, tastefully roasted coffee.
Sweet siya.
Tastefully roasted coffee.
Ayan. Masarap yung coffee nila doon.
Because for us, rice is life, but coffee is happiness.
Yeah.
Coffee is happiness.
So ngayon guys, Saturday ngayon. So 1 PM na. Pagkatapos namin mag-coffee guys, pupunta kami sa sa malayo, mga 30 minutes yata pumunta doon. Malayo siya na park kasi magpapalipad kami ng drone. Kailangan kasi guys dito sa amin, malapit kasi yung base, bawal magpalipad ng drone, kaya dapat sa malayo magpalipad.
I could go here, right?
Yeah.
I like this way better than the avenue left there. More dangerous.
Your destination is on the left.
Thank you for the service.
This truck fits in here. Ooh, I feel tall. You look like a truck there, like a semi truck.
Okay, sorry for you.
Hello, let me have 2 latte.
Hi guys, ayun, nakuha na namin yung
Yo.
na-order na namin yung coffee. So, yes, this is the best in the morning. This is the good in the morning, guys. Ooh. And then we have the sweetness. So, hihi. Ayun guys, pupunta kami ngayon sa sa park.
Hey, you ate the cookie? You like it? You ate the ugly cookie? It's ugly. It's good. Just like you. Hey, wait a minute. Am I on?
So yun guys, nandito kami ngayon sa nandito kami ngayon sa park. Pag bumibili kami ng coffee, tapos kumakain kami, and dito kami nagtatambay. Bisa strawberry or
Open nose already. I thought the guys that come here to drink coffee.
yeah. Look at that, more green now.
Oh yeah,
Look at that, more green.
I know.
You can see the playground.
I know.
Talaga. Dati yung playground doon makikita, pero ngayon hindi na kasi yung mga ngayon, yung mga puno meron na siyang mga
I will here
dahon.
too.
Yeah.
Very, very soon.
Kain. Ayun guys, nagpaano pala ako guys. I got the second shot for the COVID. Yung second shot daw, may may effect. So, good luck. Hindi pa naman siya masakit. So ngayon guys, yung second shot, may may effect. So hindi ko pa alam kung anong kasi sa kanya, what's the name of the one your second shot, the effect you feel like
The flu symptom, like the flu.
the flu.
Then you get flu. You get actually I had a runny nose too. A little runny nose, and then you get muscle ache.
Muscle ache.
Every
Wow.
muscle in your body hurts, and then you lose energy too. You
Sana
try-
walang
okay.
sa akin guys, sana wala yung effect sa akin kasi nahihirapan ako. Look at that. You want the real food, but look at that, the sweetness is gone. So where's the other one? The real food of the real sweetness. It's green. Okay guys, ito yung binili namin kanina guys.
You want to open for you?
Yeah.
Look how beautiful. Look,
And it's
green.
green.
Dairy free, have no milk. I don't know how it tastes.
Look like super sweet. Look guys.
It's too beautiful to be eaten.
But I need to follow this sweetness.
It's too sweet.
Grabe guys, yung ano nila dito guys, yung frosting nila. Grabe ang tamis.
It's really your sweetness. The typical sweetness.
This is the
Orange.
vanilla orange, vanilla and orange, and then butter.
Butter?
Yeah.
Must be a fake butter because it is dairy free.
I don't know. Yeah.
It's not the best, but it's okay. It's doable.
So guys, yun lang po guys. Yun. Ito yung masarap sa mga guys. Huwag nyo kalimutan kung sino yung addict sa mga coffee. So, ito yung maganda. Ito yung maganda at masarap sa umaga. Coffee.
Can we change this night vision?
I think yes.
Yeah, because this is kind of
Go learn it in the back.
this is kind of stupid for lack of a better word.
So you guys, yun lang po guys. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and share. Subscribe mo guys ha.
Give me a ring.